Hey guys, my name is Aaron, welcome back. Many of you requested that I look at these earbuds, so here it is, the Skullcandy Sesh retailing for $60. These are Skullcandy's most affordable, truly wireless earbuds, and at this price point, it's got a decent set of features like an IP55 water resistance rating and Bluetooth 5.0 support. They've got up to 10 hours of battery life in total, 3 hours in the buds and an extra 7 hours in the case. And at this price point, this is actually kinda average. They've got a micro USB charging port, which at this price point is pretty common. But these earbuds also have volume controls, which is what you don't often see in this price category. Okay, now I'm gonna crack this box open and check these earbuds out. Of course, we'll be doing our usual voice microphone test, audio to video latency test, and sound quality test. And as a benchmark, I will be using the $99 JBL Tune 120. Okay, you've got some literature, some extra ear tips, and a micro USB cable. This is the case. It's plastic, but it feels very solid, very well built. And in front, there is a button that when you press it, it tells you how much charge is left in the case. And these are the earbuds, the smallest earbuds from Skullcandy. Rubberized button controls. Let's try them on, see how they fit. Okay. It feels very snug and stable in my ear. Pretty comfortable too. Great noise isolation, by the way. It feels like the fit that you get from the Sennheiser Momentum Truly Wireless earbuds. You know, and that one costs 5 times more. So at this price point of $60, I gotta say that its fit and comfort is excellent. Okay, let's try the controls. Play. Pause. Skip track. Right, works. Voice assistant. Volume control. Yeah, it works, but it's not adjusting the volume of the phone. It's adjusting the internal volume of the earbuds. So be sure to keep your phone at maximum volume level and then fine tune from the earbuds. Okay, let's get to the sound quality test. Let's play some music. Okay. Pretty detailed upper bass range. Bass extension, it's there. It is not the deepest or the lowest I've heard, but at this price point, it's pretty good. They also sound quite bright in the treble range. In fact, these are some of the brightest sounding earbuds that I've tried recently. Some people may like it because a brighter sound signature also means more bite and detail in the upper frequency range. On the flip side, there are also a group of people who prefer a more warm and laid back sound signature. If you belong to the latter group, these earbuds are not for you. But if you want more energy and a bite in your sound, then these earbuds are great, really. Alright guys, it's time for our voice microphone test. As usual, I will be playing some really loud background noise and I'm going to record a voice memo on my phone. As I've said before, I will be using the JBL Tune 120 as the benchmark. Alright, first, the Skullcandy Sesh. Background noise, record. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So what do you guys think? Which one had better microphone quality? Tell me in the comments section below. To me, I feel that the Skullcandy Sesh is the clear winner here. Yes, it did not cancel as much background noise as the JBL Tune 120, but my voice through the Skullcandy Sesh's microphone sounded more natural and louder even. In contrast, though the Tune 120's microphone managed to cancel quite a bit of that background noise, my voice ended up sounding more distorted than the Skullcandy Sesh. So, in my opinion, the Skullcandy Sesh is the clear winner here in terms of microphone quality. But like I said before, tell me in the comment section below what you guys think. Now comes the fun part. It's time for the audio to video latency test. As usual, I will be using a video game for this because only by using real-time content like a video game can we really tell if the earbuds are lagging or not. If I were to use, say, a video from YouTube for instance, the YouTube app normally will delay the video so that it lines up better with the audio. That's why a video game test is a lot more accurate. Okay, first we're gonna do the test on an iOS device and then we're gonna switch over to an Android device. The iOS device I'm using is the iPad 2018. First, let's see what no lag looks like on the iPad. This is audio straight from the speaker. First, the Skullcandy Sesh, then the JBL Tune 120. The Android device I'm using is the LG V40 ThinQ with the Snapdragon 855 processor. First, the Skullcandy Sesh. So as we have just seen, the Sesh outperformed the JBL Tune 120 in terms of low latency performance on both iOS and Android devices. And there are a couple of possible reasons for that. It could be that the Sesh simply has a better Bluetooth chip with superior implementation of SBC, such that you will get low latency performance as good as AAC equipped earbuds. Another factor that may contribute to this is that the JBL Tune 120, although it supports AAC codec, the implementation of AAC was done in such a way that the Tune 120 is quite similar to the JBL 3X in terms of latency performance, and the JBL 3X only supports SBC. And this you can see in my review of the JBL Tune 120 in this video. But no matter how you look at it, The Sesh simply outperformed the JBL Tune 120 and by extension the JBL 3X in terms of low latency performance on both iOS and Android. So, what do I think of the Skullcandy Sesh overall? I must say that at the price of $60, I am pretty impressed. It sounds decent, its build quality is also pretty good for its price point, IP55 water resistant, it's got a pretty decent microphone system too, low latency performance like we just saw, and it's also got volume controls, which at this price point is not something that you would see every day. Now, there is a lot to like about the Skullcandy Sesh, but there are some things which I feel Skullcandy could have done better. For example, instead of using a micro USB port, why not use USB-C? Because after all, there are certain benefits to USB-C, which is why even at the lower price categories, more brands are starting to adopt it as the main charging port. For example, a reversible jack. You don't have to worry about which way you put it in, just plug and charge. It charges, well, there's a potential for fast charging to happen depending on the type of wall charger you use, and it's also a more durable connector overall. Oh, and plus it would have made the Skullcandy Sesh look a lot more current, more 2019 if you will. Number 2, its battery life. Its battery life of up to 3 hours in the buds and an extra 7 hours in the case may seem pretty average at this price point of $60. But for me, I'm already used to earbuds having battery lives like at least 5 hours, if not 14 or 15 hours in the buds themselves, like in the case of the Audio-Technica CKS5, which I reviewed not too long ago. If you want to watch that review, you can click on this link over here. But those earbuds have a battery life of 15 hours at $149. So I'm already used to that caliber of battery life. I don't know if 3 hours will be okay for me. Maybe for like very short train rides, I guess. Well, in short, I just have to charge these earbuds more often than the other earbuds. But overall, aside from battery life and USB-C, the Skullcandy Sesh is a pretty decent pair of earbuds to own at $60. Definitely something that you should consider if you are in the market for a pair of budget, truly wireless earbuds. So bros, thank you for watching. My name is Aaron. You're watching Aaron's Latency, and as always, if you like this video, please punch the like button with a vengeance, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad because I upload new videos every single week. And this is the only way YouTube will notify you. Oh, by the way, are you a humble person? Because if you're a humble person like me, this shirt is a great way to show your friends how humble you really are. And whenever you look in the mirror, to admire yourself of course, it will also help to remind you to always be humble. So guys, this is a pretty fun shirt to wear. You can check it out in the link below. It's available in t-shirt, tank top and hoodie. Your purchase helps keep this channel going and I appreciate your support, bros.